To hide all your reposts on TikTok. You want to hide the videos you've actually reposted on TikTok. I'm going to show you how to hide reposts on TikTok. So let's dive right into the video. So right here is the home page on my TikTok app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. So when you click on your profile icon, just like this, now looking here is the reposted video I have here. It's actually a lot. So in order for me to hide all the reposts, I'm going to click on the three line icon found at the top right corner of the screen, then go to settings and privacy. So right here, if I click on privacy and scroll down, you won't be able to see any option of repost right here. Likewise, if you go through this settings and privacy option, you won't be able to see any option where you can actually hide repost. So in order for you to actually hide your repost, you can simply go to privacy like this. Now looking here, the first option here which says discoverability private account. So you need to actually turn it on. You need to switch your account to a personal account. Now if you switch to a private account, only those that sent you a follow request, that you accepted their follow request, are going to be the only ones that are going to be able to see your reposts. So this is the only way you can actually hide your reposts from your followers on TikTok, is by switching it to a private account, so that only those that you want to see it are going to be the ones that are going to be able to see it. Otherwise, you can go to the repost section and delete them one after the other in order to remove them from your TikTok account. But if that is not the case, then you need to switch it to a private account, and only those that you accept their follow requests are going to be able to see your reposts. Alright guys, you've come to the very end of this video. Now like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell. Tell me in the comment section if you found this video helpful, and tell me as well if you are still having any problem related to this video. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell. See you in the next one.